If you've recently come across HoseHawk Pro, you've probably seen some bold claims about turning your regular garden hose into a powerful pressure washer. The website presents it as a modern cleaning solution, highlighting something they call hydropower technology that promises effortless cleaning. According to the product page, it can save time, money, and effort while delivering professional-grade results on different surfaces like cars, driveways, and patios. At first glance, it sounds like a simple and affordable alternative to expensive pressure washers. Before we go further, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, when you take a closer look, there are several red flags that raise concerns. First, the website appears to be very new, reportedly created in 2026. That's important because new websites often lack real customer reviews, trust, and a proven track record. Another big issue is the instant cleaning claim. The product suggests it can remove tough stains like oil, mold, or algae almost instantly. In reality, even high-powered machines struggle with these tasks. So expecting a simple hose attachment to do it effortlessly is highly unlikely. The marketing also creates exaggerated expectations. It gives the impression that you'll get powerful cleaning without effort. But the truth is that performance depends heavily on your home's water pressure. If your pressure is average, the results will be average too. Then there's the professional-grade results claim. Real pressure washers operate at 1,500 to 3,000 psi, which a regular hose simply cannot match. So this comparison doesn't really hold up. The term hydropower technology sounds impressive, but it's mostly just a basic nozzle that concentrates water flow. There's no real innovation behind it, making it more of a marketing term than a genuine feature. You'll also see claims that it's safe on all surfaces, which is questionable. A strong water stream can still damage paint, wood, or softer materials if used incorrectly. Pricing is another concern. Similar products are often available much cheaper elsewhere, which suggests this could be a drop-shipping item with a high markup. Overall, there's a clear gap between the marketing and reality. While it may work as a basic hose attachment, it's unlikely to deliver the powerful, effortless results being advertised.